When your HVAC or refrigerator breaks down, you need to fix it right away. However, you may not have room in your budget for an unexpected expense. A home warranty can help. A home warranty is a service contract between a homeowner and a company. It can offset the repair and replacement costs for home systems and major appliances when they break down due to regular wear and tear. Covered items typically include kitchen and laundry appliances such as your stove, refrigerator, and washer and dryer. Built-in systems typically include your HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. Depending on your home warranty provider, you can even select additional coverage for items such as pools, minor roof repairs, and septic systems. Note that you need to start coverage before a breakdown occurs. Otherwise, your system or appliance won't be covered. To get started, request quotes from at least 3 providers. You can then compare your customized plan and pricing options.